a job for you today.
No, you do not have to have experience. We will train you.
Doesn't matter your background, your experience, your work history. As long as you put in the effort in here, you could go anywhere.
I came right out of high school. I had no experience in any of this industry. So I started working in the yard as a general laborer.
Started as a general laborer. I actually worked as a part of the pour crew.
I actually came in as a temp for an HR plant clerk.
I progressed. I started with the pour, then I worked in the maintenance department. I worked in the helicals department.
From HR plant clerk, I went into fittings, production scheduling.
I became a machine operator, worked in the wrap and the coating department.
Into safety, into what I am now.
So I became a lead person over the finishing department. Then I became a supervisor over the wrap and coat departments.
I wasn't really looking forward to any career path. I was just wanting to get that paycheck.
Then I became a supervisor over the fittings department.
But once I started working here, I realized that there was a lot of room to grow. There were so many positions here.
So then I got a great opportunity to move to Grand Prairie, and I took it, and now I'm a plant superintendent.
Anyone that's willing to come to work here, we're willing to train them and give them the experience that they might need on other jobs.
But water is the essential need for any human being. So makes me happy to work here because of that.
That we help bring water from one, let's say a water source, I guess, up into a city.
Provide the vessel to take potable water to the people's homes.
Some of the biggest stuff I've ever seen in my life was made right here, and I was a part of it. It can definitely become like a kinship or a brotherhood.
I truthfully feel like I have a second family here.
I enjoyed working here, and hopefully I'll retire from here.
It's just join the family. You got to start somewhere.
This job's forever. Thompson Pipe Group isn't going anywhere. We'll always be making pipe. If you're tired of changing jobs every couple of years, this is where it's at.
Don't be afraid to grow. The sky's the limit.